Okay, pangalawa naman, number 2, anong gagawin?
Magbebenta siya ng mga shades kay Ryan Bang.
Oy, eto na.
Number 2, baba ka na. Eto na, Koreano.
아이, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 이거 얼마예요?
Sa Boracay.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
아, 지금 보라카이가
What are you looking
왔는데
for, sir?
햇빛이 너무 쪄요. 이거 얼마예요?
Oh yeah, it's so hot in the Philippines, but you know what? I have a lot of sunglasses here. Let me see your face. Wow, what a perfect shape.
Wow.
That's a perfect shape.
어?
It's oval. I have a lot of different shapes of
Pero sir,
sunglasses here.
mga Korean
Sabi niya, oversized. Hindi
oversize. Sorry. Mga Korean malaki ulo kasi ba shades?
It's okay. As long as your face is shaped like oval, any type of
recommend. Anong recommend? Yan? Okay. Wait. Oh. Ganyan pa ako hintay.
Turn around.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow.
Look at me now.
Kala mo, ano?
Try this one, sir.
Shades lang naman, bakit
Look at
kailangan
that. That's perfect. Opa Gangnam Style.
Oh, how much?
How much? It's 350, but you know what? We have on sale.
Sale?
Yes. If you buy that, you will get this one for free.
Buy one, take one.
Yes, it's buy one, take one.
Can I try?
It's Christmas season. We will give you these shades for free. But let me try it for you. Look at this, sir. Oh, look at that. This is
Parang walang
wow. Magic.
Tatanungin ng Koreano, anong oras niya pwedeng isuot ang salamin?
몇 시에 이거를 이제 착용할 수 있는 거예요? 이건 몇 시에 착용하고 이건 몇 시에 착용하는 거예요?
Anya, tibagbaga, madi ko maamo.
Hindi ka maintindihan. English.
What time I can wear these shades?
You can wear it anytime.
Ah.
Yes, because if you will wear that shades, it will change the shades of the color of your shade.
Ah.
Wow.
It will change the shape.
parang aliw, charot.
No, charo.
Totoo.
That's true.
Wow, ang galing, oh.
Tatanungin niya naman, anong shades ang bagay kapag kinakasal?
You know, I'll...
Kinikilig.
Soon, I will be getting married. Anong bagay dyan?
Anong bagay dyan?
Anong bagay sa suit?
Sa groom.
What shades fit on groom?
You will never go wrong with color black.
Color black.
I know in every wedding, you have photo shoot. Right?
Color black.
Yes, black is
Parang nakita ko nagsuot ng aso sa Baguio.
No. This shade is intended for wedding or any occasion. Try it, sir.
Try?
Oh, you want me to wear it? Okay.
Wow!
But wait, there's more. We also have a promotion in that shade. If you buy that, we will give you this for 50% off.
50%.
Itatanong na naman ng Koreano kung ano yung bagay kapag ililibing na.
Bakit ililibing?
Kapag makikipaglibing.
What if I'm patay? What do I have to wear? Shades?
You don't need to wear any shades if you are patay. Because if you will wear that shades, all of the madlang people will be patay na patay sa'yo.
Wow!
That is perfect for you.
Galing yung sales talk.
Papasok ulit ang may-ari ng salamin.
Masok ka may-ari.
Ano namang pinagkakaguluhan nyo dyan? Salamin ko naman. Kanina pabango ko. Ngayon salamin. Ryan.
Kilala mo ako, ikaw may...
Yeah, of course.
Sir, I'm just recommending the perfect shades for our clients.
You're very good. Very good.
Thank you so much,
I like
sir.
you. What's your name again?
My name is Rodel.
Yeah. All right.
And we love our clients. That's why we want to give them the best deals that we have in our store.
Wow. Very good, huh?
Yes.
That's my boy.
Yeah. So if I were you, Mr. Ryan, buy all the sunglasses that I have recommended.
Galing. Nauto-uto niya ako.
Yeah.
No. I did not promote you.
I have a 3. I'll buy all.
Yeah. I told you. You will also get this one.
Sa sobrang galing ng sales assistant, may in love ang Koreano.
Alam mo, parang baka hindi na tuloy kasal dahil sa iyo.
Why?
Parang,
Pero mas maiilove siya sa may-ari.
Kasal ka na?
ang puti mo?
Kasal ka na?
Oh?
Kasal ka na ba?
Gusto mo, sama ka?
Parehas tayo ng estado eh.
Oh?
Gusto mo ba wag na natin ituloy?
Oh?
Sa atin ituloy natin.
Hala, Ryan, wala si Ryan.
Tingnan
Sir,
to, best
let me
friend,
ask
ah.
you, do you love him?
Oh?
Ay, naging pare. Naging pare yung sales assistant.
Because
Okay.
I have an offer for you.
Oh.
This is a couple shades. And this is perfect for everyone.
Hindi bumibitaw.
Ginagalingan.
Right for him.
Pinagtaan yung may-ari.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, pwede ah. Oh, galing ah. Couple shades. Cut and cut.
Amazing.
Magaling.
Oh, magaling to ha.
Salamat, number 2.
Galing mong bola to.
Galing na benta ni number 2, ah.
Pati yung may-ari na pabili.